Okay, we have a robot vacuum cleaner named iRobot Roomba. And we have it hooked up so that it can be controlled with our Google Home Mini. So let's see how she works. Hey Google, ask Roomba to start cleaning.
Okay, let's get Roomba. Okay, Roomba has started cleaning.
She does a great job. She runs for about an hour and then returns to her docking station where she recharges. All automated. Pretty cool. She goes right from tile floor to carpet, no problem. Doing a good job on the carpet too. It goes right to the floor. Okay, we've also got a robot mopper. It's an iRobot too. It's called Braava Jet. And it does a real good job. Trying to get where you can see the water.